Why you forget almost everything you learn and how to fix it. Ever spent hours studying only to forget everything a few days later? You have company. Your brain is designed to forget. But don't worry, you can hack your memory and make learning stick for the long haul. In this video, we'll break down why you forget almost everything you learn and, more importantly, how to fix it. Get ready to learn smarter, remember more, and never waste study time again. Here are the reasons why you forget almost everything you learn. The forgetting curve. Did you know? You can forget up to 75% of new information in just 6 days. German psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus discovered that memory fades unless you reinforce it. Passive learning equals weak memory, just reading, listening, or highlighting. Your brain isn't fully engaged. Learning passively means weak neural connections, making recall way harder. Your brain prioritizes what matters. Your brain deletes unimportant info to keep decision-making efficient. If you don't use it, your brain thinks you don't need it. Lack of reinforcement. If you don't actively retrieve or apply knowledge, your brain lets it fade away. No practice equals no long-term storage. Stress, distractions, and poor sleep. Memory suffers when your brain is overloaded, sleep-deprived, or stressed out. If you want to remember more, you need to take care of your brain. How to fix it and make learning stick. Spaced repetition, the #1 memory hack. Review material at increasing intervals, after 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, etc. This trains your brain to hold on to information long-term. Get active, ditch passive learning. Teach someone else, solve problems, or create a mind map. The more interactive your study method, the stronger your memory. Use retrieval practice. Test yourself. Quiz yourself instead of rereading notes. Self-testing forces your brain to recall info, making it stick. Make meaningful connections. Relate new concepts to things you already know. Example, learning a new language, tie new words to familiar sounds or images. Supercharge memory with mnemonics and visuals. Acronyms, rhymes, and crazy visuals make recall easier. Example, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, etc. Healthy habits means stronger memory. Sleep 7 to 9 hours a night. Your brain consolidates info while you sleep. Eat brain-boosting foods, omega-3, nuts, berries, and leafy greens. Manage stress. A calm brain learns and remembers better. Final thoughts. Learn smarter. Remember more. Your brain is wired to forget, but with the right strategies, you can hack your memory and retain what matters. Try these proven techniques to boost recall, and soon you'll be learning faster and remembering like a pro.